Now look at that. Hey guys, welcome to Amelicious Cooking. Today I'll be cooking brown stew fish, Jamaican style. So I hope you enjoy my video. These are my 3 fish that I'm gonna cook. Just been scaled. So I bought these frozen. Okay, the eyes. Okay, really good. Very firm. Yeah, for this fish I'm gonna trim it. All the extra bits that I do. Now I'm just gonna season these fishes. I've got a mixture of seasoning here. Some quality of the fish. So these are the fishes. I've just rested them on some paper towel to soak up any excess moisture. So I'm gonna pop them in my frying pan. Well, I've got some coconut oil here in my pot. So I'm gonna heat it up really well before I put the fishes in. I've now turned the fish onto the other side. So it's nice and crispy, just in there. These fishes out of the pot, they're nice and crunchy. See? So now I'm gonna make my sauce. So these are my ingredients. I'm gonna use these bell peppers, carrots, tomato. I've got some garlic and spring onion there, chocha, and also white and red onion. I've got a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper and thyme there. Carrot. Want all of these. While these are browning away, I'm going to add my powder seasoning. Now I've got pimento seed and a mixture of seasoning here. I will list these in my description, all my seasoning that I'm using. Wow, this smells so good. Lovely. I'm gonna also tip a bit of vinegar, because this is a must. You have to put a bit of vinegar cooked with the seasoning. Right, I'm gonna add a bit of water to this, and then I'll add the rest of my other ingredients. So I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of butter. Soya sauce, and also a bit of ketchup. Not much because I don't like my thing too ketchupy. So yeah. So I'm gonna cover this a little bit and allow it to reduce a little bit and then add the fish to it. So I'm gonna now add my fish. I'm gonna cover this and let it just steam down a little bit more. Now look at that. There you have it, guys. All my ingredients are from the local store, so you can find all the ingredients that I use at any local store. If you find my video useful, please remember to give me a like, subscribe for more meal ideas, share with your friends, you know, for anybody who wants to know about, you know, cooking these type of dishes. So thank you again for watching.